Hey guys, okay, so the first thing I did was I opened Cricut Design Space and uploaded the Hershey's template, and it needs to be scored. So I'm just hitting shift and selecting on each of the lines, and then I'm going into the operations and changing them to score. And after I'm done doing that, I'm going to go ahead and select the whole image and click on attach. And that is just making sure that the score lines are attached to the purse, and they'll go ahead and score. And then I uploaded the pumpkin that I want to use. And then I also made just a little template of my own to kind of get an idea of what size the pumpkin should be as far as the features for its face. And I'm going to ungroup the pumpkin and just use the eyes, nose, and mouth, and just decide where on the paper, on the template, I would like that to be, to kind of just make sure it's the right size. And then we're ready to go ahead and hit make it. And I'm going to go ahead and click on the mat, and we're going to hit continue. And then I'm going to browse all materials, and I selected glitter cardstock. And we will need a double scoring tool for this. And I went ahead and I already cut everything out. And we're going to fold on the score lines, and just going to do all four corners or all four sides. And you'll also notice that on the small side of it, that it has an extra score line on each side. And that is just kind of to give you the depth to put the leave room for the Hershey's bar. And same with the bottom. You can see like I folded on two score lines, and that's just so it's more of like a 3D purse, you know. So you can go ahead and have the room. And next, we're going to go ahead and use a glue gun and just glue a little bit on the side. And then we'll go ahead and attach the cardstock to the side. Next, we're just going to go ahead and do the exact same thing to the other side of the purse. And next, I'm going to go ahead and apply one of the adhesive dots that I actually got from the Dollar Tree. And it has a sticky side on each side. So I'm just going to go ahead and place it on one end of the purse and just have them together, so I can go ahead and just line it up, and it attaches directly to the perfect location on the other side of the purse. And I'm going to use a little bit of glue gun just because I think it needs that little extra glue gun just with the opening and closing. So I'm going to go ahead and just do that. Now I'm going to go ahead and glue the face of the pumpkin and just kind of place it where I think it needs to be placed. And I'm going to use the glue gun for that as well. And then the last thing that I do is just apply the green diamond strap. And it's so cute, you guys. I think this is such an adorable project. So let me know your guys' thoughts. And what do you think of this pumpkin purse? I think it's an original way, or actually it's a creative way to share a little Hershey bar with a teacher or a friend, and it's just different. So I hope you enjoyed my tutorial today, and if you are new to my channel and you think this might be for you, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. And if you're already a subscriber, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!